welcome back to Amy Lynn's Journey. I have a surprise. I'm really excited to show you my surprise. So I was thinking to do an unboxing. I think everybody will love this. I know I'm going to. I think it's going to boost my productivity, because I feel like a slacker, even though I'm not slacking. It's just kind of hard to do things with your phone. It's just hard to do things in such a small area. I want to get to this. So how about we get to this? I'll go through it, I'll explain things, and I'll even try to set everything up. So we'll be right back. So as I promised, there's the big old box, and there's the area that I want to put this in. I'm not sure if I can really do it, but we'll see what we can do and see how we can do it. So I'm going to get this box open. Here we go. They always say cut away from you, but sometimes they don't make it that easy. Swing over here. There we go. We will pull this through. And of course, they have to give you extra bubble wrap. And we'll just shove it behind the chair. Set this knife down. And the first thing in this box is the webcam. I'm surprised they shipped them both together, but this is what we got. It's probably reading you backwards. It's a C920 Pro high definition webcam. It shoots in 1080p or 720p. How about we open this box first? Oh, and I am so sorry about that. Let me see if I can get you back up there right. There we go. Sorry about the whiplash. Sometimes things just don't cooperate when we need them to. That's it. I'll just double check that. Oh, and a manual. Sometimes we need those. There's a manual, setup guide, and then probably just safety precaution papers. And this is what it's like. It's just an itty bitty thing. This is my hand. Sits pretty well in my hand. And it comes with the plug-in like that. I'll set this by the desk in there. That's set up there. And because my monitor decided to break, we're gonna have to do it this way. Awesome. HP 24UH monitor, 24 inches LED backlit monitor. And I'll show you some of the stats. I don't know if you can read them. I'm just trying to be as thorough as I can be. knock you guys over again. Lovely cord. Need that. Not a very long cord, I noticed. Oh, I hate when they do that. They think we just have everything close to us, electrical wise, I think. And flip this over. Styrofoam. I don't want to do that. That's going to make some mess everywhere. Oh. We'll open this package. I think this is the stand for the monitor. Yep, stand. That's pretty. It's kind of thick plastic, but it's kind of, I don't know. You would think that it would have better gription on there than what it does. Then we have another cord. This is probably the cord to connect it to. The computer. Let's check out the. And it's looking like so. Of course. Yeah, that's what it is. It has 2 ends of that, and that's not very long, but generally you don't need that to be very long anyway. Put that down. The actual monitor. I am so excited. During my move, mine just decided to break. It was shattered. The whole screen was shattered. That's that. And it has the quick setup on there and how to connect the screen to the desktop tower. Then it's got video stuff. And that's the screen. It's matte. It's not gonna be as shiny. I'll probably have to redo that again. I might have flipped it up too quick, but it's matte. It's not as shiny as what most of them have been. And that's a decent size. This is light. I could not believe to even flip this, because this is really light. Almost cheaply made, but heck. And then the good thing with this, it's also got where it tilts back and forth on its stand. So that too alone by itself is awesome. And then also in this box has the software and some paperwork, probably. Yep, software and then paperwork. One in Spanish, in which I'm not free. I can't speak Spanish, and then one in English. And that'll be it. And then later I will do a setup, but right now I have to go meet somebody else. They're doing a live. I'm coming for you, Smystetten. You know I'll be there, Miss Kristen. See you guys in a little while and we'll pick this back up. As you can see, it's a different day, but it's okay. I ended up putting the computer and everything together because Lauren was starting to wake up. And that meant my work for that computer would have been done and I would have had nothing but pure interruptions and her pulling cords and whatnot. So I figured I'd let be. But anyways, yep, and now I will show you what I've done. Okay, and then here's this little setup. I love that it was a built-in, because it makes it a lot nicer. I think I need to get like a little night light or something over here. And move my cord, whoops. Move my cord out of there. I thought I had that put away. But, yeah, there, that's gonna be a little bit better. And then there's my little love of my life. She was about a year old there, maybe 13 months at the most. Yep, that was her on her back patio porch thingy majiggy. Yep, and so, yeah, and I don't know, can you probably not, can't see that. Let me see if I can fix that for you. Okay, now we got the light on here. And there's all the bottom of that. And then this is the cam. The only thing I don't like is there's a thing that's it's kind of hard to show you. Whoops, right here. When I turn the cam on, it shows all of this by this ledge right there. It's like, get your fingers out of my face now. And then that's how I have everything set up. I really like it. I don't know why that's on there like that, but okay. That's supposed to be right here. Oh, goodness to Betsy. I have to have a rooster everywhere. There we go. But that's how that's set up. My cactuses, and then some of the hundreds of movies that I have, but I'm not too worried about that. That's me. That's the new setup. I also too like this so much better because I was worried I'd have to bring a desk in, and I don't want to have to buy something that I don't have to. And that'll be enough of that. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I am. And I get to finally edit something. I've not ever edited a video, so hopefully it won't be too rough. All the ones that I've previously done they're one shots, one take, so you know it's all genuine and it can't be scripted. So with that said, I want to thank everybody for taking the time and watching my videos. They mean a lot to me. I don't have any family, and each and every one of you mean a lot to me. I was told, well, you only have 62 people in your for your subs. You know, that doesn't matter to me. I never thought I would get one, let alone 62, and that's not a lot either, but for me it's a lot. You know, somebody that doesn't have a family, I found one, and I thank each and every one of you for sticking around, you know, taking the time to comment, taking the time to like everything, and for the ones, thank you for taking the time to subscribe. You know, if you're new, please comment. I talk back at you. You know, subscribe. I'll have more videos. I hope you've liked the ones that you've seen, if this has drawn, you know, your attention. And please don't forget to ring that bell. I do go live, and that'll notify you, not just because I went live, but also, you know, it shows you what I've come up with next. I'm not sure what I'm gonna shoot next, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be happier with it now that I can edit properly. So with all that said, thank you so much, everyone. Have a blessed day. I love each and every one of you. Take